The TransferRIP color profiles contain the best color settings and the required printer preferences for the white toner transfer media. The great thing about the TransferRIP software, if you would like to use your own color profiles instead of the TransferRIP color profiles, you can do this. To do this, we need to go to step 5 and the print and screen settings section. If we look towards the bottom of the screen, we can see the ICC profiles menu. Clicking on the printer ICC profile drop-down menu lets you access the complete list of ICC color profiles. The TransferRIP software searches your computer's ICC color profile folder and displays all the available ICC profiles which can be used in this drop-down menu. The standard setting used in the TransferRIP software is no ICC profile. With this setting, you will be using the TransferRIP color profile. If you choose any other ICC profile from the list, then the TransferRIP will use this color profile instead of the standard one.